This video explains how to restore the default factory settings on the Senstar Thin Client. Perform a factory reset on the Thin Client if you need to. Restore the original out-of-the-box settings. Reset a forgotten device password, or clear the current configuration. If you have access to the Thin Client's web interface, you can perform a factory reset by selecting Settings and clicking the Restore button. The Thin Client will delete its current configuration and reboot using its original factory settings. You can also restore the factory settings by using the Reset button, located on the back of the Thin Client. Press and hold the Reset button. While continuing to hold the Reset button, disconnect the network cable. Reconnect the network cable and wait 10 seconds for the LED to switch from flashing to solid orange. Release the Reset button. The restore process is now complete and the Thin Client is back to its original factory settings. For more information or technical support, visit us at senstar.com.